So I got your question in email. Researcher wishes to estimate the proportion of adults who have high-speed internet access. What sample size should be obtained if she wishes the estimate to be within 0.03 with a 90% confidence? She starts out by using a previous estimate of 0.42. So you can do this with a formula in the textbook. You can do it by hand, with the calculator. Well, I'm not so sure you can do it with the calculator, but you can do it also with StatCrunch. And so, the videos cover all three. If you look on page 406 of your book, they provide step-by-step instructions on how to do it with StatCrunches, which is what I'm going to show you right here. I tend to favor it some. So, if you go into StatCrunch and you click Stat, Proportion Stats, one sample, width, slice, sample size, and them steps are on this page. This box pops up. So the confidence, you enter the confidence level, which is 90%, the target proportion, which is 0.42 for part A. Now the only trick with this one is the width is twice the error here, the 0.03, you got to double that. Then when you click compute, it's going to give you the sample size, which is what they're asking for here. Hope that helps.